Running in that pussy like a crash dump brand. Bend it over, touch your toes, shake that ass from the shade. Bounce that ass on the floor, bring it back up. Hit a split on the dick, shout it at that. Bring it back, 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 bring it back. You can act, 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 you can act. Going hard, concrete. She can shake her head. One cheek, two cheek, both cheek, both cheek. They got a white girl, she got no cheek. They got a police bitch on a short leash. She got good mouth, like she got no teeth. She a slut, she a dog, she a bitch with it. Man, the city, when she see the bitch made it. Hey, with hoes throwing salt, tell the bitch get it. Started playing with the pussy, tell the bitch split it. I just wanna fuck you. Then you with it, you cute, but shot fuck you. Running in that pussy like a crash dump brand. Bend it over, touch your toes, shake that ass from the shade. Bounce that ass on the floor, bring it back up. Hit a split on the dick, shout it at that. Bring it back, 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 bring it back. You can act, 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 you can act. Up like a dump truck. If you're having fun in the club, throw your pumps up. All my ballers in the building, throw your ones up. If you ain't throwing no money, then get your funds up. I don't know what her name is. She said I'm not a nigga. I'm a real big booty, I'm some real big titties. Say she don't really come out to the city, cause she a country girl and she like to get busy. She got a good job and she says 24. Said okay, then shawty hit the floor. And I was like, whoa. Then I threw some ones just to let shawty know, just to let shawty know I'm running in that pussy like a crash dump brand. Bend it over, touch your toes, shake that ass from the shade. Bounce that ass on the floor, bring it back up. Hit a split on the dick, shout it at that. Bring it back, 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 bring it back. You can act, 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 you can act.
You love some. Shot her so hot she can melt some. Feel like I wanna smack her with a belt or something. So I told her come here so I can tell her something. I wanna see your big booty on my upper leg. When I throw a couple dollars at your upper head. I got you in your fridge, you give me double head. And that breakfast time she gave me supper head. And that's a great feeling. And I fuck with her because she's so willing. About to do whatever that I tell her. So I break it down and this is what I tell her.
Running in that pussy like a crash dump brand. Bend it over, touch your toes, shake that ass from the shade. Bounce that ass on the floor, bring it back up. Hit a split on the dick, shout it at that. Bring it back.